Hi, I'm Kirill, and I'm a builder of bold ideas. It all started with smaller projects, rebuilding RC cars from scrap, crafting boats with different designs, making an Arduino-based game. Fast forward to recent times, my RC car kept rolling over when off-roading, so I built an active suspension system to prevent that. Starting with a metal prototype, I discovered that each centimeter of height difference between the sides of the car allowed 3.4 degrees steeper slopes before the car tips over. The first design challenge was actuation. I tried the rod proved too slow and bulky, so I switched to compact servo motors. Mounting was tricky. I tried the pivot system for mechanical advantage before finding direct mounting more effective. The metal mounts that are used to attach the servo motors to the frame of the car kept bending under dynamic loads, leading me to design and print reinforced PLA parts. The control system evolved from basic if-else statements that only handled single-axis tilts to full PID control in C++. The algorithm runs on an Arduino Nano mounted on a custom perfboard PCB housed in a 3D printed enclosure, reading data from an MPU 6050 gyroscope to calculate real-time adjustments. After some tests, the final system proved to be pretty much useless at mitigating rollovers on slopes, but it is really good at maintaining a constant four-wheel contact with rocks and roots, which can contribute to a car flipping, making the car more stable anyway. Speaking of preventing disasters, we built an autonomous drone to detect Catalonia's wildfires. Our fixed-wing design promised better range over quadcopter, but the first foam prototype failed, since the thin foam sheets we were using didn't provide enough structural integrity. We redesigned with a delta wing configuration, using custom cut foam and aluminum reinforcements. With a 1.4 meter wingspan and upgraded motors reaching 1:1 thrust ratio, I handled all the electronics, from flight computer to GPS navigation, while one of our teammates implemented fire detection using our neural network running on a Raspberry Pi computer. While we're still working on pitch issues, we're currently in talks with local volunteer firefighters about deployment of the drone.